there. In this video, I'm going to show you a feature that we've added so that admins are able to view and recover attachments that have been deleted in Agency Advantage. So I'm going to go ahead and open this customer of mine and go to Attachments. And this attachment here I've selected and I'm going to delete. And yes. So now under my attachment is gone. Now we have added this down here where it says show deleted only. If I check this box, it shows me what attachments have been deleted, and attachments could be images or documents. So I'm going to select this and I'm going to click on this little plus sign right here, and it gives me the ability to bring back that attachment. So if I uncheck this or deleted only, it brings back my attachment here. Now, just remember, only admins have this ability. If you have any questions, let us know.